So when we are talking about compatibility, in the psychology research, it is connected to perceived partner uniqueness. So a lot of times, if you want to know why someone might marry another person, it has a lot to do with that person's ability to fulfill relational needs. So PPU is the belief of a relational partner's ability to fulfill relational needs in ways that no other partner could. So you might hear people say oftentimes, why did you date that girl? Well, why are you with that girl? What is so different about her? Well, they hit it on the nail, right? The word different, that she is a lot different from all the other girls I've dated, or he is a lot different from all the other guys I have dated. And that's what sets one person apart from another. Now, PPU could also mean, and I talk on this in other audios, the fact that the person could be higher value than you, that even if you are a high value person, if another woman is even higher value, that her economic status is much higher than yours, and you could be a lawyer, you could be a doctor, you could be a businesswoman who earns or generates revenue in the millions, but that man comes along. I mean, the man finds a woman with higher status. She could be a celebrity, she could be someone from a great family, etc., right? And they could leave you and go to that person. Okay. Relational needs includes companionship, intimacy, security, emotional involvement, and sex. So the sex part is kind of relative, because you can have a mate, a married partner at the house, or a long-term mate at the house, fulfill all relational needs. There is stability, there is some little uniqueness in the relationship, but basically that person fulfills relational needs. However, sometimes a mate will step out because another person, and a fair partner, offers sexual variety. And so men tend to get bored with sex, and so they need the sexual variety that comes with sustaining their attention. So you might have a person leave just because of sexual variety. Doesn't necessarily mean that they will stop being married to you. They like you at the house, but they have to step out here and there because this person puts on the special clothes, gives them a little licking on the backside. They do all types of things. When in my book, I talk about how partners tend to porn the relationship. They will porn the relationship. Here it is, you getting into the relationship and you think you're gonna have this type of sex, have these types of needs met, and then all of a sudden they want you to become a porn star. And so the person, if you decide not to become a porn star, well, the person who does is considered a perceived partner unique. Right? It's strange. You could fulfill PPU yourself, but the other affair partner could also fulfill PPU for them as well. If a woman is able to fulfill these relational needs for a man, then there is a greater likelihood that he or she will remain romantically involved in the relationship and emotionally involved with the partner. It's like I said, it's still relative, it's still subjective, and it's still based upon those sexual variety needs that men need.